What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, you see what that says? Trek and climb. We're gonna be going on this nature walk right here. Let's get in here. Let me show the. Okay, this is the lower route. I'm Nico's cameraman. Okay, go.
Just be careful, Jonah.
Are you on? Okay.
I have a YouTube channel, so
I'm
if you want to
almost
sub to me, Nico will put it in the description. Look at this view.
Isn't it neat? What did you think?
Look at this view. What if I drop the phone?
What is it? What did you think? Okay.
Look at this view.
Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my perspective? Okay,
Oh my God.
Jonah, don't go too fast. Wait for
Keep
her.
Look at this, look at this.
No, keep recording me, not that.
Okay. It's so nice to be portable.
If we break, look, if this nut breaks and we fall, we're done. This could be poison ivy.
Oh, so you're right. You're actually so right.
So, wish us good luck.
Yeah, same.
Oh yeah. By the way, I've done way worse. Emma and I have done way worse. Where there's 5 floors. We start from floor number 1, get to floor number 5, and then there's nothing to stop you from falling except the foot. And it was way higher than this. So. Can I say hi, no. And yeah, she's Emma. Whoa. Because I jumped, that's because you fell. I didn't
Oh my God.
Guys, why don't we let the kids behind us go? They're interrupting.
Go. Ese to the runnable. She got the Gucci punnable.
Side.
Oh, John.
Jonah, back. Emma, Sophia. Back here. Come on. Come. Let's let them go first. Come on. Move to the side. Move to the side.
Sorry about that. Let's go.
There's just some people.
Oh! That was kind of scary. Emma was pushing me a little bit.
3, 2.
I'm not going to hold on to this, okay? If I fall, I'm going to fall in the net.
I'm not holding on. Never back down, never what?
Never give up!
Never back down, never what?
Okay, I'm not. Never give up!
Never back down, never what?
Never give up! Okay,
That's the naked 30s.
I'm not trying to make this like.
Never back down, never what?
I'm not trying to make this like dramatic. So I get views, guys. I'm actually like kind of struggling.
Yeah, we're struggling. We're all struggling, including me, the cameraman. I'm all struggling. My name's Caleb. I have a YouTube channel too.
I am so lucky I was holding on to this.
Okay, go. So we have more view. Should we run?
Oh, forces ahead!
You know, this is just a smart way, right? You don't have to. This is the smartest way in the world. Nico's back here, struggling.
You're trying to avoid. You're trying to avoid.
The cameraman almost died.
Oh look! It looks like
It's booby traps. Yas.
Oh, I'm smart. What is that?
What's that, Emma?
Go.
No one looks at that.
Nobody look at that. Okay. Should I do the same thing that Emma's doing? I'm gonna do the same thing on the next side.
Be aware that there's people behind.
Nico.
I fell down. Get home, please.
Nico.
We'll be right back.
The cameraman needs some help. I only have one hand. I'm a cameraman.
Cameraman beat at all of us.
My name is not cameraman. My name is Caleb.
Cameraman.
We still beating all of y'all. Sorry. This is a fight, Papa. Daddy.
Oh yeah.
That's all, folks. And now remember, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's hit down number what? Let's hit 100 subscribers. Let's go. No one hits 100 subscribers except for me.